Books of airtime coming on in. We had the owl mimic. We got some owl action. Wildcat Missy. I'm getting close on it. Whoop, 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 whoop. Alright, use this, huh? Go and check on out. So I catch a little audio. Down here in res, maybe we'll go a little closer. Let's see. We got arches. We got a significant arch right there. We got two of them, it looks like. Try to keep it quiet a little bit. This is a hot spot right here. This is big time hot spot. There you see, you got your big arch. Selectivity, you got your snap here. Oh, we got something here. Collecting evidence, folks. We got this little tree here just eating down, probably snapped on. There's probably a wall over there. But we got a bunch of trees crossed up with each other. We got big breaks there. We got loop-de-doo here. We got a double arch here, guys. Isn't that nice? Oh yeah. We got this going on. I see this plenty where the tree's not hitting the ground. And there's no stump here. Okay. Here's your tree. Okay. Goes right between the trees. You see this plain. But there's no root system for this tree to be there. So you got your huge break there. You can see that. Big arch, double arch. I mean, yeah, if we look around, might be able to find some prints. But thanks for joining us once again, folks. We are in Southwest Michigan once again. I won't disclose the area. You might have to find out on your own, but looks like we got help me here. We got some walls. We got a tree that's been peeled off. Something's been eating it. Take a look around. Make sure our surroundings are okay. There's that big arch. And we got, what do we have? Pay attention to the noises. I got audio to go along with the clip. But yeah, sometimes it just takes a little common sense to understand manipulation a little bit. We got more dirt spots here. They were back here the other night making all kinds of noises. Sound like we entered the zoo. Sound like we were at the Milwaukee Zoo. But yeah, let's take a little walk back here. Once again, thanks for joining us and your patience. What I feel as though, like I usually do, and I get that feeling. Oh, that cryptid feeling. So we got vines that are kind of twisted backward. I don't know. I can't. Come on with me. Let's see how this works. Well, okay. There we go. Once again, right here. Okay, so you got these two young branches right here. One goes up this way, and they're young. Obviously, they're younger than the long branch that goes down that way. That branch looks like a tree. Yeah, it's actually a tree. Is 5 times older than those little ones. So what happens is there's no way that this old tree limb can bend these young ones over. And I see this time after time. And then you got this one. There's some where the hell it came from. They come from nowhere. Might come from that. But that ain't gonna bend nowhere. So we got a missing tree here. Oh yeah, that's kind of new right there. I never quite come across that one. Let's go down this way, 'cause down there's a trail to a waterway. That's it, love. Okay, let's see. I'll try to cut it short. I don't want to make them too long. Oh, I got that dead smell. I got a smell of death again. Keep your ears peeled. I may not catch it. Boy, it stinks. Wow. That's rotten. That is rotten. I almost gotta take a shit. I smelled this the other day when we come back here. Oh gosh. Oh God. I'm gonna come down here and bring it to the river, and then we'll cut you off and we're heading on out. But if I didn't say it once, Duke's Bear Town we were in, we'll be heading back out. Okay. Go down here and show you this river. Oh, because it was stunk by this river yesterday. I took a walk back here, and it stunk by this river. Now it stinks. Okay, hold on. Here we go. Here's the river. It's just a little. I always want to stop and observe. Make sure everything's okay. Okay, it's that jet sounding above us again. Okay, well. See if I notice that smell, because I don't smell it right now. Oh. Okay. There's a river here. The river's there. But for now, Duke's of Beartown, we're going to head on out. Thanks for joining us. Have yourselves a great evening, and your morning will be better. Okay, bye, my peace.